The Painter tool in Lightroom is one of those tools that seems cute and perhaps a little bit silly at first glance, but actually proves to be quite useful. I use the Painter all the time for assigning a variety of different metadata values to an image, especially for keywords. Let me show you how the Painter works. The Painter is found on the toolbar when we're in the grid view, at least it is by default. You can enable it if it's been hidden by clicking the pop-up at the far right of the toolbar and then choosing Painter from that menu. To activate the Painter, all you have to do is click on that paint can, and then you'll see that we now have an option as to what we want to paint onto our image. We can add a color label, a pick flag, a star rating, a specific metadata value, or of course keywords, among some other options. I'll use keywords as my example here, and then in the box I can type which keywords I want to assign to the images. I'm currently looking at some images of whales. You can see that for the selected image at least, and I happen to know for all of the whales that I have here, Alaska and whale have both been added as keywords. However, it might be helpful to identify the particular species of whale in each of these photographs. In this case, the first image is a humpback whale, so I'm simply going to type humpback into the keywords field, then I'll press enter or return, and now my Painter tool is ready to assign the keyword humpback to any image. I can simply click on an image and then the humpback keyword will be added to that image. But even better, I can click and drag across multiple images to add the keyword to all of those images. I could then continue scrolling down looking for any images that include humpback whales, and when I find such an image, I can simply click or click and drag. Here are a few more images, for example. I'll click and drag across all of the images here that include humpback whales, and all of those images then get that keyword added. In addition, I have some orca whales, also known as killer whales, and so I might like to add keywords for those. I'll go ahead and change the keyword. I'm going to type orca, and I'm also going to add killer, since that is another common term for these whales. And then I can simply click and drag across those images that I'd like to add the orca and killer keywords. And that way, if I look at any of those images, I'll go ahead and put my Painter away and click on one of the orca whale images. We can see that those keywords have been updated for that image. So I can continue in this manner. I'll go ahead and choose my Painter tool again, and then I can click and drag across the images that contain the orca whales and continue in this manner, adding keywords very quickly and easily for a relatively large number of images. Once I'm finished, I can click in the same spot where I grabbed the Painter in order to put that Painter away. So as you can see, working with the Painter, it can be very easy to assign keywords or other metadata to a wide variety of images very quickly and easily.